Ionia County Airport. Automated weather observation 2025 Zulu weather wind 030 at 6 visibility 105,000 scattered ceiling 6,500 broken temperature 2 Celsius dew point 1 altimeter 2983.
So welcome to Fort Flight.
Hello.
We forgot to do an intro back in the hangar, so we're going to do it right now. So, we're headed up to Bellaire to see our friend Terry. We're going to have shorts brewing and a distance picnic. And this is part 3 of our triathlon today. We walked this morning about a mile and a half, and then we biked about 10 miles. And now we're going to fly. It is about 100 and...
What are you in today?
130 miles one way. Up there, so a triathlon.
Yeah, we haven't flown into Bellaire before, so it's a new airport for us. It'll be kind of fun.
And we haven't seen Terry probably for a couple of years, so this is long overdue and beautiful day to fly.
Yeah. Ionia traffic, Cardinal 30691, taking off runway 27, departing to the north. Ionia. All right, lined up. Good.
1, 2, 3, go!
2500. We're in the green, we're in the green. Here we go. Feet on the floor. $30, $40, $50, $60. Look out, birds. Great Lakes approach, Cardinal 30691.
Cardinal 30691 Great Lakes approach.
Cardinal 30691, just to the northwest of Ionia at 1,900 climbing to 2,500. We'd like the firefight following up to Antrim County. It's Charlie Alpha Delta. VFR flight following if possible.
Cardinal 691, Grand Rapids altimeter 2984, stand by for squawk.
2984.
Cardinal 691, squawk 1340.
1340 for 691. Beautiful. Yep, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Bird. That's the other reason it's nicer to be up high. We're gonna have to keep an eye on birds.
That would be a red mist situation.
That'd be depending on where it is.
691 radar contact, proceed on course to Cadillac.
On course to Cadillac. It's actually Antrim County. I'm sorry, I said it wrong. It's Alpha Charlie Bravo.
Roger, proceed on course to Bellaire, Antrim County Airport then.
Roger, 691. Thanks. All right, we're 22 minutes from Big Rapids.
Big Rapids, that's home to one of our sponsors, right? Ferris State University?
Yes. Ping.
Thanks, Ferris.
Hint.
You could just scoot up through that hole, right?
We could just scoot up through that hole.
That's the term?
That's a term.
Cloud hole?
Cloud hole. Sky hole. Go through that sky hole.
One radar service terminates squawk VFR. Frequency change approved. Further flight following contact Minneapolis Center 120.85, but you will need to climb about at least 1,000 feet from the here and see it.
All right, go over to VFR. 691, thanks. So he wants us, I'd have to climb another 1,000 feet for Minneapolis to see us, and I'm not sure we're going to do that. That'd get me real close to there, and it's going to be bumpier the closer we get to that. So we'll just keep an eye on traffic.
2 minutes prior to skydiving over Sylvania, Charlie 8914, 1,500 feet below. Please do not overfly the field and watch out for people falling out of the sky.
Meat sacks. Watch out for the meat sacks. I don't know what river this is. Maybe that's the Muskegon River? See it?
Yes. See it?
Let's get a camera shot of it. We'll fly right over it. All right, coming up on Cadillac. That is Fife Lake coming up.
Oh.
Fife Lake, the site of one of our first getaway weekends.
Where John brought his electric fireplace up because the little cabin was kind of sad and we wanted something romantic, so brought an electric fireplace.
I did.
It was romantic.
And it was cast iron, so it was...
It weighed about 400 pounds. And
that was 4,300, level 280, pilot's discretion, flight level 240.
Had a good time.
That was 4,300, Minneapolis Center, some pilot's discretion, 6,000, Traverse City, altimeter is 2988. Pilot's discretion, 6,000, Sky was 4,300.
what else do you remember? The mattresses had very thick plastic protectors.
It was like your 1960s grandma motel.
And then, did we eat at the all-you-can-eat shrimp place?
We ate at the little restaurant there that's no longer.
Oh, that was so good. They think that was Fife Lake Inn.
Yes.
Minneapolis, hello, flight 366.
But then we went to the other restaurant, and the waitress told us that
Minneapolis Center, some pilot's discretion.
their hot chocolate was so good, it was almost like gas station hot chocolate. And we went, whoa, sign us up. We know gas station hot chocolate.
Minneapolis Center, Cardinal 30691. I have Antrim County in sight.
30691, roger. Radar service is terminated. You can squawk VFR. Frequency change approved. You have a wonderful day.
You too. Thanks for your help. 691. Antrim County Airport, Cardinal 30691, 10 to the south. We'll be entering a 45 for left downwind runway 2, Antrim County. Antrim County Airport, Cardinal 30691, turning downwind for runway 2, full stop, Antrim. Antrim County Airport, Cardinal 30691, turning left base, runway 2, Antrim. Antrim County Airport, Cardinal 30691, turning final for runway 2, full stop, Antrim.
So I'm going to jump in here and say that this was not my best landing. A few things went wrong. One, I need to tighten up my pattern work, which is something that I've been working on since this flight. I was way too far out on the downwind and too far out on the final. So what I ended up doing was dragging it in. And so I came in low, and I almost had to go around because I encountered when I came over the water on short final, there was a pretty good sink there, and so I had to gun it a bit. Otherwise, I was going to land short of the runway. And if I had tightened up my pattern and come in like I normally would, that wouldn't have happened. And then right as I'm getting ready to touch down, there was a gust of wind that ballooned me back up a little bit, and I was afraid that I was going to then, get about 3 feet off the ground, and then I would then completely stall it and then just drop it in. So I kind of had to goose the power there for a little bit to bring it back in. So I was fighting it all the way down. Some of it was wind, but some of it was I did not have good pattern work on that landing, and that's something that I'm working to improve.
Antrim County Airport, Cardinal 30691 is clear of 2, Antrim. Okay, we're here.
Keys are out.
Hello.
Hello. All right.
We just got back.
So we landed.
Yay.
It was good.
It's a good flight. It was bumpy on the way there, and as you'll see from the video, it was quite an intense landing. Coming back, it was great, other than we had a weirdness with the EDM showing us that our gallons per hour was going from like 9 to 30 or 25 and bouncing back and forth. It's kind of weird. I was watching things really carefully for about 5 minutes, and then it just sorted itself out. So I really don't know what the deal was there. And then it was super nice. It was great to see Terry.
Great to see Terry. Great to fly into Bellaire. If you haven't flown into Antrim County Bellaire Airport, it is, the lakes around there are absolutely stunning. For me, it brought back a ton of memories. Pretty emotional. We got married not too far from that airport in an old friend's vegetable garden, and yeah, pretty intense memories going back there. And I got to have the first time experience of scraping bug guts off the wing with my fingernail. Gross.
That had to have been like a June bug.
That was red mist.
That impact point was substantial. So yes, you've been blooded.
Lots of firsts and emotional firsts.
All right.
But we got through it. Wear your mask.
Yes.